Ahoy mateys, thanks for tubing in to Pirates and Teepees. Happy springtime goodness. I know it's been a long time and you guys have been asking for videos, so here we go. Yeah, things have been intense since I've gone off grid. More than just the off grid thing. Got videos coming up. I'll show you switching to wood burning stove. I moved my tiny house over to this side of the hill. Moved in there over the winter. Been doing lots of things. Went through a breakup, quit drinking. It's been really intense, so that's why I've been offline. Also, because of the off-grid thing, I haven't really had proper internet access or a place to really sit down and edit videos, which I've put that in now. Stay tuned for future videos to see how I pulled that off. And right now, it's springtime. And so I figured it's time to level out some space and get this greenhouse put in so that I can start getting food growing nice and early and start living off grid that way as well and not be really reliant on anything. I think we're conveniencing ourselves to death. It's oh, that seems so inconvenient to hand level out a spot on the side of your hill and then grow your own food. Well, it's a lot more convenient than having to go to work every day or eat some food that you don't know where it came from that could have, even if it's organic, who knows what happened between the farm and the store, or who knows. Anyway, so I'm out here in my little piece of heaven and I'm gonna show you. I was inspired by those two Cambodian guys, I think they're in Cambodia, that just dug this underground house with a pool in it and carved it right into the sandstone. So figured show you kind of some of the same stuff and how I level out areas over here, and we'll get this greenhouse going. Well, as we all know, watching hard physical labor in high speed, it's just so satisfying. So here we go. Summer, the soil looks good now, but in the summer the soil is hard to grow. I've tried to do this before. It's ridiculous. There's no way this is going to be like a one-day job like this now. Alright, keeping at it. Ooh, yeah. And here's our finished product. This is an old Harbor Freight carport frame. After the tarp that it came with died after a few years, I saved the frame. And I'm going to put some plastic over it. I got to look around and see what I have. So we got one more to go, then it's done. I'm going to do the same thing with the middle. But you guys get the gist. All right, thank you so much for checking this video out. I hope you had fun watching. I had a lot of fun building it. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you did enjoy the video, the like button would be awesome. As well as sharing this video. Share it with your friends. Yeah, and people enjoy it. I know I did. All right, anyway, have a piratical day.